I'm going to be making a hand 3D printed iPad dock or sliding holder with magnetic Thunderbolt click-on access.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
So just imagine this green stuff is part of the back casing, and there's going to be a green wall in the front where my fingernail is. There's going to be green, PTEG going around holding this thing, and also just in front of the top loop, just probably about a bevel's amount, and maybe the holder part will only be about this much, a couple of inches. Let's see how that goes. Finish the first 2 layers with a very thick beady support beam, so it's like kind of the 3rd layer, and that's the thickness, the quality, the stiffness, PTEG, so that's going to be the back, i.e. the underside. And as you can see, it's bending already up. It shouldn't be. But when I go to make the sides to join to the fronts, I'll probably just sticky tape it under the iPad as a guide with a layer of material perhaps. But yeah, now we're going to do the bezel piece. So I've just joined the front to the back. There's the dock. Now I have to put this backwards. So there. Like that. And then I have to tape it and make a 3D holder for this bit. Okay, let's see if I can get this out. Something moved. Ooh, fancy. This one's got a fair bit of flex in it at the moment. I'll just keep this rolling. apart from the tape that's still on this thing. Not bad.
Hey, James. Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Not bad. All right. It's okay.